What surprised me the most about my internship is how much of an impact just my internship made.
I ended up optimizing search results from what was originally 30 seconds to 1 second.
AWS is, very customer centric. So we are driven by how, customers use our services.
People come here, they realize the power of asking questions, and even as an SA, the whole job is about asking your customers questions.
I help customers every day by building a redundant power system to support their AWS infrastructure. It's pretty cool to see something that I worked on and have contributed to and then see it come to life.
If you like to learn, if you have the passion, AWS is really for you.
AWS fills you up with so many different experiences. I'm learning something new each and every day.
If you want to explore the world of cloud, there's nothing better than AWS to start with.